Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another tutorial. So in this lesson we're going to get these two functions filled out. And unfortunately it is a little bit repetitive, but it needs to be done, so let's just get it all done in one lesson and then we can move on with some of the more interesting coding. So we'll begin by saying rear left wheel dot transform dot rotate. So a lowercase t on transform, uppercase R. We'll open and close brackets, we'll close that line off, we'll come inside the brackets, we're going to say vector 3 dot left, comma, underscore RPM wheel times time dot delta time. Okay, with that done, let's break this up for commenting. So I'll enter here and here, and we'll get that straight into the comments. So we'll say set left rear wheel rotation. We'll come to the next line. 2. We'll say vector 3 dot left as it is in the code, and in brackets we'll just put shorthand for writing -1 on x-axis, because that is exactly what we are doing with that piece of code. So we'll come to the next line and we'll say by the wheel RPM. Okay, with that in place, let's just copy that 3 times. And we'll change what needs to be changed. So this first one is going to be rear right wheel now. A little bit of tongue twister there. And we're going to change this to vector 3 dot right, because they're on the other side of the car. So the rotation needs to be different. So set, let's have a look at the comments. Right wheel rotation to vector 3 right, shorthand for writing +1 on x-axis by the wheel RPM still. So let's continue on, and we're going to say front left wheel, and we'll just change that to front in the comments. This can be left again, and that's all we need to change there. This one will change to front right wheel. So let's change that there, right front, and that one should have been rear there, and we'll change that to right there, we'll change it to plus, and that is the wheel movement actually completed. Just going to have a quick look here. We did put the wheel movement in the function, so that's good. And let's just copy all of this and we'll paste it in to the wheel movement backwards. So we are, in fact, let's just copy one of these lines, vector 3 dot right, and we just need to change left for right in this instant. So let's copy one of the left lines now, and we'll paste that in here and here. So let's go up, wheel movement, coasting reverse. So it's we have that because we are just calling this function and then calling that function within. So that is now set up. So let's come at the very top and let's just get a few things in place. We'll open and close square brackets. We'll say require component, open and close brackets, inside the brackets, type of, open and close brackets again. Inside this next set of brackets, we're going to say sphere collider. And we'll get that into the comments. So we'll say attach, and we want sphere collider, and we'll say when attaching script, if none is present. And let's get a few more things done. I'll copy the start engine audio clip, so let's paste that in. We'll change it from start to turn off engine. And we'll just change start to stop in the comment. So we have that in place now. Let's just copy one of these lines where we play one shot the start engine audio. Let's scroll down. And we'll paste that into exit vehicle. Sorry. We'll change that to turn off engine. And we'll change the comment to stop on this occasion as well. So let's just get those few things in place. Obviously, we still have a lot more code to actually get into place. So what I think we'll do is in the very next lesson, let's get something to the point where we can begin testing. So in order to do that, we'll need to create some other functions that will allow the player to walk up, enter the vehicle, and then exit. Because at the moment, we are just starting the core routine, but we have no code to allow the player to do that. So I think that's what we'll work on in the very next video. So as always, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope to see you next time. And until then, as always, bye for now.